Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. Not all that special, but I'm going to play a little different with it. If you look, it looks like it's going into the abyss. It looks a little difficult, but it's one of the simplest things you could do. I'm going to take a square holding down the control button. Doesn't really matter what size, and hit P. I'm going to control D and make a duplicate, and I'm going to rotate it 2 degrees. So I've got that little bit of a sliver right there. I'm going to take that little bit of a sliver. I'm going to take the Smart Fill tool. And you know what? I'm going to use a blue this time. Then I'm going to take the Smart Fill tool or the Interactive Fill tool. Well, matter of fact, before I even do anything, I could take my boxes away now. Just have my sliver. Get the Interactive Fill tool. And I'm going to go ahead and put dark on this end. We want it pretty dark, but I want to put another blue like right there. And then I'm going to put a white right there and just see what happens. Then put another blue real close to it. And we're going to see where this goes, how this goes. Now, we're working in the center of the page, because so Control D, alternate C is going to make it rotate from the center. And I'm going to rotate it 2 degrees. And then rotate it 4 degrees. And then Control D all the way around. And at some point, it looks like it's not going to, the leading edge, and then slow down when you get to the last one. Yeah, maybe not that big a deal, but you can kind of see what you could do with just anything. And if we take a black box effect and see how it kind of goes up into the abyss, it looks like it's rounded. You know, it's not that big a deal, but you could still, you know, if you want to do more to that, grab the whole thing and right click a black outline, and then it's going to put an outline between each line. And you could actually take that and make that outline a little thicker. Wow, that makes it look pretty cool, because it looks like those pieces now are separated because the outline is kind of taking it over. So I still don't know what you'd call this or why you would draw it, but just playing around, that's a pretty cool effect. And I could have put more of these white, you know, when I do white like that, sometimes it looks like it's bending a piece of metal, but this is kind of going into the abyss. Just playing around. Hope that maybe gave you an idea or two. And thank you for watching.